Hi, thanks so much for stopping by. I have been in the middle of fermenting a bunch of vegetables today, and it is time to do some cleanup. And one of the things I'm going to be using is my favorite 3-ingredient DIY all-purpose spray. And I thought I would show you how easy it is to make this up and then share some of the best uses for it as well. So this really just comes together with just 3 ingredients. It's as simple as that. I like to start with the essential oils. I like tea tree. Sometimes I'll use a combination of tea tree and lemon, but if we're really just sticking with 3 ingredients, then tea tree is definitely my go-to. It's helpful for cleaning properties. It's helpful for disinfecting. I usually just eyeball a good 24 to 25 drops or so. Next, you're gonna have to excuse the way this jug looks. It was out in the garage for a little bit, but next I'm gonna fill my spray bottle with halfway full with white cleaning vinegar. There we go. And by the way, this is a 16 fluid ounce glass spray bottle with a little silicone bottom on it. I'll have these and the ingredients that I'm using and everything that you need to make this linked in the description, so you can check that out. I also have a link to my printable recipe card where you can print that off and just have the directions handy that way as well. And then the last thing that we add is just water to fill the spray bottle the rest of the way. Now I do like to add the ingredients in that specific order for a reason. Essential oils first, then vinegar, then water, because the vinegar and then the water help rinse the essential oils out of the funnel. After that, you just put the top on, give it a little shake, and it's ready to use. It's as simple as that. Now, this literally can be used for any kind of surface where you need just a multi-purpose disinfectant, all-purpose surface spray. It's great for cleaning up anything where you really do need to disinfect because of the amazing antimicrobial properties from tea tree oil. So after you've had raw meat out, or you just need to clean up any kind of a nasty mess where you really want some good cleaning power and antiseptic power, this is great. It's also good for just any kind of surface cleaning job where you need to clean away grime or scrub something or wipe something. It's great for that. It's also actually good for glass too, because it's half vinegar. Vinegar is great on glass. So especially when you pair it with like a microfiber cleaning cloth that's made for glass, it works amazing on glass. So really any of those surfaces that you want to have something like this to really clean and disinfect, this is great. I've been using this for years. It's so easy to make. The ingredients are incredibly cheap. You don't have to go spend a bunch of money on natural, packaged, supposed to be natural non-toxic cleaners that cost many, many times as more and may or may not actually be natural and safe. There's a lot of greenwashing going on these days where people try to sell products that are not actually non-toxic. But this, you made it yourself with 3 ingredients. Very, very nice. The essential oils are very diluted. So you would just use any normal precautions that you would anytime that you're using essential oils, but great all-purpose spray for all those types of uses. I always keep one in each bathroom, one in the laundry room, one under the kitchen sink, so I can quickly grab it and just clean up anything that I need to. So I hope that you found that helpful, and I hope that you give it a try. If you did find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. That means a lot to me and it helps my channel. Check out also that description box, like I said, for the link to the printable recipe cards. You can print that out and keep it handy and be able to easily make this anytime. I also have other things that I've made for you down there. There's ebooks, there's some free ebooks, all different kinds of things I've made for you in that description box, and also links to these spray bottles and the ingredients that I use, so you can check that out and make it yourself easily. And if you enjoy videos about slow, intentional living, from scratch cooking, nourishing meals, make sure to stay tuned as I make new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.